Indian Premier League 2024 Kolkata Knight Riders full and final squad. Number 1 Nitish Rana batsman. Number 2 Rinku Singh batsman. Number 3 R. Guruvaj batsman. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer batsman. Number 5 Sarfan Rathod batsman. Number 6 K.S. Bharat batsman. Number 7 Manish Pandey batsman. Number 8 Jason Roy batsman. Number 9 Ankush Raghuvanshi batsman. Number 10 Anukul Roy all-rounder. Number 11 Ramandeep Singh all-rounder. Number 12 Andre Russell all-rounder. Number 13 Venkatesh Iyer all-rounder. Number 14 Suhas Sharma bowler. Number 15 M.R. Rahman bowler. Number 16 G. Atkinson bowler. Number 17 Shakib Hassan bowler. Number 18 Harshit Rana bowler. Number 19 Sunil Narane bowler. Number 20 Vaibhav Arora bowler. Number 21 Varun Chakraborty bowler. Number 22 Mitchell Stark bowler. Number 23 Chetan Sakriya bowler. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.